Hi there, WordPress enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up free shipping for a specific product in WooCommerce using the YayPricing plugin. It's super handy if you're running a limited time promotion or want to offer free delivery on select items. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have YayPricing, WooCommerce dynamic pricing and discounts installed and activated on your site. You can find it in your WordPress dashboard. See our site here, we've activated YayPricing Pro. If you already have it installed, awesome. Let's move on. Now head to the YayPricing dashboard by clicking on YayPricing in your WooCommerce menu. Let's see, we have some rules that were created with YayPricing here. Slide to the Checkout Fee tab to create rule for the shipping fee. I'm going to click on Add Rule. YayPricing offers some templates. I want to choose Free Shipping Fee Pre-Built Template so we don't have to create the rule from scratch. Now give your rule a name. For example, Free Shipping. Thus, we have free shipping here. Then we move to configure the condition for one product. Click Add a Condition, then choose Cart Item Product in the drop-down list and choose the product you want to offer free shipping on. For example, I want to pick My Soul the First Kiss. This condition ensures that the rule only triggers when that product is in the cart. But I want to make the free shipping rule work when customers purchase only one product. So I'm going to add one more condition. Choose cart quantity and leave it less or equal than one product. Yeah, the rule should be applied when these conditions are met. Click the Save button at the top right. Now let's test it. Go to the front end of your site, make a purchase for only one product. Head to the checkout page. A free shipping option appears automatically. And there you have it, free shipping for one specific product in just a few clicks using YayPricing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and let us know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with WooCommerce.